Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We divide both sides by 1 plus x squared. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. That is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that positive number 1 over 1 plus x squared. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one going here. Oh, sorry, that should be like this. So the integration of this one, that is about arctanx of x. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, that is about y e to the power of arctanx of x. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. Dx over this one we change for du. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of u du. the integration of this one, that is about e to the power of u, about u, that is about arctanx of x. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Later that, we divide both sides by e to the power of arctanx of x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.